Hi, this is Mike with Rock Out Loud Live, and I'm really super excited to introduce a new part of this platform dedicated strictly for music school owners. A lot of music school owners reached out to me and they say, how do I manage multiple accounts? Do I got to put in multiple credit cards, create multiple accounts with multiple emails? That's no longer the option. Now you have the ability to manage everybody under one account. And that's called the School Management Portal. You can see it right here. The School Management Portal offers you a lot of features that you folks were asking for. The first is manage all subscriptions. So with this one account, you can have as many teachers as you want under one account. You don't have to worry about creating new emails and new accounts. It's a great feature. We also have the ability to manage teacher accounts. So if someone's teaching a single instrument like drums, you can change that to guitar at any time. You can select different type of plans for each teacher. So you're not stuck with one particular plan. You could go back and forth, whatever you'd like for all of your teachers. We also have the ability to create lesson folders. Lesson folders are great for people who have their own curriculum. So if you're teaching a certain way, using a certain instructional book that you want your virtual teachers to use, you have the ability to create a lesson folder and put that content there. So when they select that PDF, that lesson, only those lessons that you've selected that you want them to teach are going to be there. So they can't deviate and start teaching other lessons that they've had from someplace else, which is a great feature. You can also assign teacher rooms. This was a big one. And the reason why we added this was many music school owners were reimbursing their school teachers for Rock Out Loud Live's subscription. But when that teacher left, they also left with the subscription, and all of the students from that music school followed that link because that was the link owned by the music school teacher. As music school owner with this platform, you manage that. So you own those links. So if you want to replace a teacher, you can simply reassign that link to another teacher, and those students will have the same link, won't change. So let me show you around. So this is a plan. It's $9.99, and it does not include a license to teach, just simply to manage your schools. And if you look here on the RockOutLoud.live, you're going to go to school, and school will take you to the platform. Well, here you can register for your music school, or you can just log in if you already have an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Okay, once I'm in, brings me right to the dashboard. So here you can see I've signed up Mary Smith. So look at what you can do with Mary Smith. You can first look at her profile and say, okay, Mary Smith, her username to log in is MSMITH, M Smith. Her room ID is Music Room 1. It's part of my school. And she's got a single teacher license for piano, and she's got an assigned folder called Piano Lessons. This is very important. So what I'd like to show you is very quickly, you can simply go to lesson folder here. You can create an instrument folder. Let's call it a guitar folder. So I'll go in here, do guitar lessons. I'll create that. Now I can go into my guitar lesson folder and I can add a lesson. This is only the content that I want my teachers to teach and use for teaching. At that point, I can select a lesson anywhere on my computer. Let's call it Don't Stop Believin'. I'm going to put that up there, upload the lesson. Now, Don't Stop Believin' is now part of my guitar lessons portal. My piano lessons portal, which is assigned to Mary, has all of this content, and that's it. So I can go back into Mary's profile and I can see that she's got access to her piano lessons. These are the piano lessons that you want to assign. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as Mary, and you'll see that Mary can only see what you want her to see. So I'm going to log out as me, and I'm going to select instead of Music School Manager, and it's very important to note that I am using a different URL. It's RockOutLoud.live/school. That will get you to the option to log in as a school manager or a music school teacher. So here I will put in Mary Smith and her password. Now, when Mary gets there, she's going to have access to the concert mode and enhanced audio recognition, which is ear technology. For those of you who call it duet, same thing. And if I go to start a lesson, you're going to see that the lesson's going to start, and I only have options with a lesson folder to see only those files that I uploaded. So I cannot go to my local drive and upload my own lessons. Only the lessons that are given to that teacher they can use to teach. And that's a very important feature. They also have the ability to pull up their whiteboard. That also remains true as well. So it's important to really know that you have full management of all of your teachers and all of your content. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@RockOutLoud.com. But this is a phenomenal tool for you music school owners. And I know it's a long time coming, but I think you're going to really like it.